Alright, this is video 3, and now we're going to do some encoding. We're going to work with the country and the purchase column. So if we look over here, countries, we have France, Spain, and Germany. Basically the 3 countries that showed up over and over. And for purchase, we have yes and no. So 2 options for purchase and 3 countries. So we're going to work with encoding, country, and purchase column. And for that, we're going to do a data set. We're going to start with country. I'm going to use a factor. Data set of country. And we're going to use the levels for France, Spain, and Germany. And the labels will be 1, 2, and 3. And we're basically kind of doing the same thing with the purchase. And we're again going to work with the factor purchase. And the levels will be no and yes. And the labels will be 0 for no, 1 for yes. So if I run this now, go back here in my data set, I don't have the country name anymore and I don't have the yes or no anymore. What I have is 1 for France, 2 for Spain, and 3 for Germany. And what I have is 0 for no and 1 for yes. So basically what it just did is change the France for 1, Spain for 2, Germany for 3, the no for 0, and the yes for 1. And that's basically how I work with the encoding for the country and the purchase column. So this is how my data set looks now. Alright, well this was Erica Machado for our data mining class, working with the data CSV file. Thank you.